Want to know how to uninstall JazzCash app on your phone? Well, no worries. In this video, I'm going to show you an easy step-by-step guide on how you can do it. It's super simple and under a minute, so let's get straight to it. Now, first things first, just simply open up your JazzCash application. So once you open it up, you should be under this interface right here, and to uninstall it is super simple. Just simply hold on to the app icon right here, and you should be seeing this trash icon, just simply like that, and then select uninstall. And now once after uninstall, your JazzCash should successfully be removed. Next thing is you can just simply head towards the Play Store right here. So you can just simply search up JazzCash on the search bar. And once it opens up, here right beside open, you should also be seeing uninstall. Just simply like that. And then confirm uninstall. And once it is on, your JazzCash should be uninstalled easily. And that's it. Super simple and easy. This is how you uninstall JazzCash on your phone, which is iPhone or Android. I hope this video helped. If it did, make sure to like, subscribe, and tune in with us for more videos. See you in the next one.